Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2V Vision to Victory. Guys, today I'm going to discuss most important arithmetic questions in quantitative aptitude, which is going to help in your SBA PO prelims examination. Guys. Just go through these information again. I will discuss concept and every calculation which is most important for your miscellaneous questions. So minimum you can expect 10 to 12 miscellaneous question from quantitative aptitude section. Guys, if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel. You will get content for your upcoming examinations. Just share this information to your friends. Just inform your friends live session is started. And try to solve each and every question and post your answer in the comment section. I will check your comments. Go through this question number one is related to the partnership concept. Guys, if you want to solve any question in partnership, so the major motto of this topic is should calculated profit of any particular person. So profit of any particular person is completely based on how much they are invested in that business is multiplied with the respective duration. So these two parameters only decided any person's profit. Remember this point. Guys, calculation and concept both are most important to solve any question in quantitative aptitude section. So remember this point. Guys, here the question says that ABC invested total here see 2,40,000, right? In a business. A invested 25% of total investment. So out of 100 percentage, let us assuming that it's a 100 percentage. Out of 100 percentage, 25% investment is A's investment. What about B and C investment? So B's investment was 80 percentage of C's investment. Out of 75% is distributed according to this information. And the investment period was T plus 10, T plus 4 and T plus 2 in terms of months. And they given as a comparison, if B's profit share out of total profit is 36,860 is 11,640. Then the profit share of A and B together is how much percentage more or less the profit share of BC together. Yes, it's calculation, guys. So be faster in the calculation part. I will tell you the part. Now see here, focus on that investment of A. So investment means 1 by 4th of 2,40,000 is exactly equal to 60,000. A's investment is 60,000. So what about B's investment and C's investment? Guys, let's take in this way 24 out of 24, 6 units is related to the A. So we left with how much of value is left with 18 units. Now they clearly mentioned that C, the respective ratio of B is to C. Whatever the C's investment, if C invested 10 units, now 80% investment is B. So 8 units is B. So you should understand that B's investment is 80,000 and C's investment is 1 lakh. Now, if we go through the cancellation, you will get the ratio of investment is 3 is to 4 is to 5. Hope you understand this calculation. Now, the respective time duration, see here A duration is T plus 10, B's duration is T plus 4, and C's duration is T plus 2. So, what about the profit? See, yes, according to these investment and duration, the profit ratio is exactly equal to 3 2 plus 30, 40 plus 16, and 5t plus 10. Now, if you observe that the total profit value here, see the total profit value is exactly equal to 12t plus 56. Yes, if the total profit is 12t plus 56, A gets 3t plus 30, B gets 40 plus 16, and C's get 5t plus 10. Now, if you compare with the original data, see here total profit is 36,860. Here B share is 11,650. So here B share when compared to the overall share. So what is the B share here? 480 plus 16. What is the overall share here? 12t plus 56. If we go through the values here, it's 11,640 out of 36,860. Just go through the cancellation here. It's 582. Just cancel with the two tables. It's a 582. Now see here 1843. Now you can see that 4 cancellation here, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s, 4 1s are 4, 4 14s are. Finally see here t plus 4 is multiplied with 1843. Now see 1843 t. Now 1843 is multiplied by 4 times. Just go through the calculation here. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 17. So here value becomes 7,372. which is exactly equal to 582 is multiplied by 582 is multiplied by 3t. Now how much of value you will get? It's 1740 Now finally 582 is multiplied by 14 times. Just go through the calculation. It's 8148. 4 twos are 8, 8 fours. 4 twos are 8, right? So it's 8148. Now just find the difference here. 1843 and 1746. How much of difference we have? Guys, here the difference is 46 means just add 54 units. Again we have 43 units. Total C we have 9070. So how much of difference here? 8148 and 7372. How much of difference here? 6 units. 14 means 7 units. Again, so 776 units. Now 776, 7 become a 6 means you will get units plus 8. Now you will get the D value. Now just calculated the profit ratio here. So here the value become, so 8, 3 is a 24, 50, 54 units here. 40 plus 16, 8 4 are 32, 48, 40, 50. So the respect to ratio, just cancel with the table, two table here, 27 units, 24 units, and here you will get 25 units. Hope you understand the calculation. It involves calculation, guys. Now the profit ratio of A and B. See, what is the total profit here? 27 plus 24 plus 25. That's the total ratio. Now the difference of A and B. What is the difference of A and B here? AB 27 and 24. To understand, I took all the steps here. So difference of these two values, see, AB and BC. Guys, AB and BC, AB and BC. What I understand that B is a common parameter. So directly you can find the difference of AC. So what is the difference of AC here? So difference is 2 units. So out of means 24 plus 27 plus 25, 49, 69, 69 plus 7. So total profit is 36,860, guys. So just go through the cancellation, 4 times, 8 times, 5 times. So here the difference 485 is multiplied by 2, you will get 970. Guys, you should go through the concept and calculation. This question involves two calculation, guys, too much of calculation. So be faster in all the tables, two multiplication, two digit multiplications, and focus on cancellations. All these, if you involve all these parameters, definitely you can solve this question within the time. Guys, these entire all the what we are going to discuss, all these questions are most, not not I said that it's a difficult one, but it involves your concept and calculation. Yes, I don't want to use the term it's a difficult, medium, and easy. The way you understand the information, the way you are solving the question, that gives you level of that question. So hope you understand that. Just concentrated focus on calculations and concept. Now question number 3. So it's generally, if you see the SPA examinations, definitely you can expect 2 to 3 questions from quantity based. Which quantity is higher? So here just check the calculation in quantity one. So here the data says that the present average of group of 4 friends is x plus 5. So here how many people are there here? 4 friends. See, they given as average x plus 5. Now what about the sum? Sum value is exactly equal to 4x plus 20. Now after 3 years, guys, after 3 years means each and every person increases 3 years, total 4 people, total sum of those age is added to the 12. So now after 3 years, sum of all those ages exactly equal to 4x plus 32. And 3 new friends are joined in the group. Now total number of people is 7 friends. Now due to this the average become x plus 7. Now sum value become 7 is multiplied by x plus 7. Here sum becomes 7x plus. Another question. If the current average is of 3 new friends who joined in the group of 30 to 2 by 3 years, then find the value of x. Now what I understand that averages changes because new friends are added. See here averages changes means sum is also changes. Just find the difference of the sum. So what is the difference of sum here? 3x. And 49 and 32 difference is exactly equal to 17 units. You understand? This value exactly equal to 32 2 by 3. It's 98 divided by 3. Average is 98 by 3. Sum become, we should multiply by 3. You will get 98. Just find the difference here. So how much of difference you can see? 3x plus 17 exactly equal to 98. Now 3x is exactly equal. And x is equal to 27. Why? Because it's average, right? So average converted into sum means you should multiply by 3 units. So that is a quantity one. Check the quantity two data. Present average is of M and O. Average of M and O is 20, sum is 60. M is 8 years older than N. So M value is 8 years older than N. If 4 years ago, the ratio of N and O is 3 is to 4. 4 years ago, see. 4 years ago, ratio of N and O. If N is equal to 3x, then O is equal to 4x. Now, what about the present is 3x plus 4 and 4x plus 4. These are the percentages. Now, what about M? So, M is 8 years older, right, when compared to N. So, here 3x plus 12. Now, you already know that sum of their is exactly equal to 60. So, add all those numbers, you will get 10x plus 20 is exactly equal to 60. Now, you will get 10x is equal to 40, then x is equal to 4. So, definitely, whatever that quantity 1 is always greater than quantity 2. Option A is the correct answer. Now, see, the distance between city M to N is x kilometers. Understand the theory. M to N distance is x kilometers. Piyush travel from M to N at the speed of, see, M to N at the speed of 35 kilometer per hour. While returning from city N to M, his speed is increases by 14.8 percentage. See, 1/7 of speed is increases. 1/7 of 35 is 5 units. Now, returning speed is exactly equal to 40 kilometer per hour. After traveling 10 hours, there was a jam on the way, so he changed his route, also increased the speed of 50 kilometer per hour. So next he increases the speed of 50 kilometer per hour. The distance covered by onward journey from M to N is 90 kilometers less than the distance covered by return journey. Let us assuming that from here to here distance is x kilometers. Now here to here, so that is 90 kilometers less. Now its a distance is exactly equal to x minus 90 kilometers. And the time taken by onward journey is 1 hour more than. So it takes more than it. If then the return journey. If we take it as a t hours, definitely takes 1 more hour, t plus 1. Then find the total distance covered by that. Hope you understand the theory. Now, so first journey of M to N. What is the speed here? 35 kilometer per hour. 35 kilometer per hour. So what about the time here? T plus 1. Then what is the distance they covered? 35 t plus 35. Why? Because speed is equal to distance by time, then distance is equal to speed into time. Now check the N to M. Now you already know that initially they started a speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and they already covered how much of distance means 10 hours of journey. So they covered 400 kilometers. Later it is increases a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Now out of t hours for N to M, we already assuming that it takes t hours. 10 hours of journey already completed, right? Now how much of time left means 10 t minus 10 hours journey. So total distance is exactly equal to 50 t minus of 500. Now, what I understand that see this distance when compared to this one is 90 kilometers more. Now, see 35t plus 35 value is exactly equal to 50t minus 500, and which is exactly equal to 90 kilometers less. Now, guys, the initial already covered how much of distance here? 400. Now, go through the calculation here. Yes. 190 plus 35 is 225 is exactly equal to. Now, you will get t value is equal to. Now the question, what is the total distance covered by the person? So what about the total distance here? 35t plus 35. 35 is multiplied by 15 plus 35. 15 5s are 75. 15 3s are 40. 125 plus 30. So 560 kilometers. Here 50 is multiplied by 15. 15 5s are 750 minus of 100 is exactly equal to 250. So initially they already covered 400. So it's a value of 650. Add these numbers, it become your answer. 650, 560. Hope you understand. Guys, here, a shopkeeper sells certain number of balls. He sells X minus 5 balls at 50 percentage. So they are talking about the selling prices, right? X minus 5 balls at 50 percentage profit. X plus 5 balls at 30 percentage profit. And remaining 40 balls, 25 percentage of loss. So he makes a total profit of 10%. He makes a total profit of 10% in the entire transaction. If shopkeeper had sold all the balls, if we sold all the balls at 12.5 percentage, now what would be the total amount? So you should identify that what would be the total amount received by the person. What can be the answer, guys? Try to understand the information first of all. Guys, if you observe carefully, in this entire question, there is a no proper values related to the cost price or selling price. First, suppose, for example, they are not at all mentioned that all the prices of each and every ball is same. That is also not mentioned. So there is a no data related to the prices. Then how you will get the amounts? Guys, maybe you can calculate it percentage values. So if we can calculate it percentage value if you assuming the price of each ball will be something. But see, here you should calculate the amount. See, if you want the amount, we need information related to the amount. But the data is not at all available in the given information. That's why answer cannot be determined. Don't waste your time to solve. Means assume some value to solve the entire information means it's a time waste. See how you will get the amount. How you will get the amount means we need comparison we need amount comparison in the given data. So we don't have that information, right? So you never get any proper value. So answer cannot be determined. See question from time and box. See, I'm covered all each and every concept in quantitative aptitude. You should understand that what are the different model of questions I discussed here. Try to understand the concept. A tank has two inlet pipes, A, B. One outlet type C. If pipe AC together can fill the tank. If A, C together can fill the tank in 45 hours. If BC work together takes 30 hours. What is the total tank capacity? See, take a common multiples of 45 and 30. See, it's a 90, right? So B minus C delivered 3 units, A minus C delivered 2 units. Now we have information. Pipe A efficiency is 66.67%. 66.67% means it's a value of 2 by 3, right? When compared to the pipe C, it means if pipe C delivered 3 units, means if 3 units is taken out, now A filled 2 more units, means A filled 5 units and C taken out 3 units. Now we have a comparison. See what is the difference between 5 and 3? That is exactly equal to 2. Then you understand that efficiency of 5 A is equal to 5 units, C is equal to 3 units. Guys, we have a comparison here. Difference is 2, efficiency difference is also 2. Now if A is 5 units, C is 5 units, and now B minus C efficiency, you already know that it's a 3, right? Now C is equal to 3, definitely B must be 6. Now A taken 5 units, B taken in 6 units, and C taken out 3 units. Now ABC open together in alternative hours starting from A. First A, then B, then C. Then what I understand that C, A delivered 5 units, B delivered 6 units, and C emptied 3 units. Now in 3 hours of time, so how many units of tank is filled means it's absolutely 8 units. Now we have to fill how much of portion here? 80%. See 80% of 90 means we need 72 units to fill the tank. It takes how much of time? Now just go through that nearest multiples of 72. See, you will get 72 in a table. Check it out. It's exactly 9 times. But guys, here third pipe is empty. Then consider the previous cycle. What about the previous cycle means? If 8 is multiplied by 8, don't consider exact cycle. Consider the previous. Why? Because there is an outlet pipe involved in this question. Not in 24 hours. In 24 hours, they fill 64 units. Now in 25th hour, guys, here tap A is working. If tap A is working, it delivered how many units here? 5 units. Total how many units are completed? 69 units. Now we need to fill 3 more units. And you already know that next hour we need to open B. And you already know that in 1 hour it fills 6 units, right? But we need to fill only 3 units. It takes only half an hour time. That's why whole tank is filled in exactly 25.5 hours. Guys, if any outlet pipe in your question, then consider the previous cycle. Don't consider the exact cycle. Don't forget that info. Now see, in a quantity one in examination, Vikas scored 33 percentage of marks and failed by. See, Vikas scored 33 percentage of marks and he failed by 18 marks. Raj scored 41 percentage of marks. Raj scored 41 marks percentage of marks. He got 30 marks extra. Guys, if percentage increases, marks is also increases. How much of percentage increases here? Here 8 percentage of total score is exactly equal to 48 marks. Then you will get the total value. See. Here the question, what is the 48 percentage of maximum, right? 48 percentage of maximum means it's exactly 6 times multiplied by 6 times. So here the 48 percentage of maximum marks exactly equal to 280. Now see the second one, guys. So second question is related to the problems and trains concept. So try to understand that information here. Now see here train X can process 375 meters long platform in 52 seconds. Let us assuming that see we don't know that length of the train. So length of the train is taken as L. Now we don't know the speed also, right? Speed of the train just assume X. Now here length of the train can crosses the platform means length of the train plus 375 can crosses a platform. Now what about the speed here? Distance is equal, speed is equal to distance by time, then distance is equal to speed into time, right? So here speed is x meter per second, it takes 52 seconds. Now you will get the length here 52x minus 375. We are done with one of the equation. Now it can crosses another train length by 425 meters coming opposite direction at the speed of 27 kilometer per hour, converted 27 into meter per second. It's exactly equal to 15 by 2 meter per second. And it takes only 35 seconds. Now see, here length of the train L and another train length is 525. Now it takes how much of time? 35 seconds. Now see here you already know that if two objects are traveling in opposite direction, relative speed is addition. So x plus 15 by 2. Now what about these length here? 35x plus 35 15s are exactly equal to 425 by 2 minus 425. Now you will get still, so substitute these L here. Now 52x minus 375 is exactly equal to 35x plus 425 by minus 5. Now just go through the calculation, guys. You will get x is equal to 25 by 2. Just go through the calculation. It's a simple for you. Now the question you should understand that what is the length of the train. So what about the length of the train here? 52 is multiplied by 25 by 2 minus of 375. Now here it's exactly equal to 26. Now length of the train 26, 25, 625 plus. So 25, 625, 650 minus of 375. You will get the value is 270. Now the question here, the main question here, if train X crosses train Z running at a speed of 5 meter per second at the same direction in 74 seconds, find the length of the train Z. See, length of the X train is L, Z is Z. Now it takes how much of time? They clearly mentioned that 74. Now here the relative speed, both are traveling in the same direction. It's X minus 5. Now here you know that it's the length of the train X is 275. Z we don't know that. 74 into X is exactly equal to 25 by 2 minus of 20. Now here 275 plus Z 74. Now here 5 to Z and it's a value of 15 by 2. Just cancel. You will get this value is 37, right? What about the Z value? 37 is multiplied by 15. 37 times are 370. 37 is multiplied by 15. Now 370 off of 370 means is exactly equal to C 1. So 555. So 155 minus 270. So you will get this value. Quantity 2 is 280, guys. Quantity 1 is 288. So you know that quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Next question number 8. Now see the number of people in the three cities XYZ is equal. X is equal to Y is equal to Z. The number of female cities in XYZ is, so X city number of females is 37.5 guys. 37.5 means it's a value of 3 by 8. So what about females here? Y females percentage is 40%. It's a value of 2 by 5. Now here Z value is exactly equal to 58.33 percentage. See, convert the 58.33 percentage. See, I will tell you 58 2 by 3, right? Convert it into fraction means 8 3s are 24. So 174 plus 2 divided by 3. Percentage means into 100. So it's a 1 by 3, right? So 175 divided by 3 into 100, right? 25 sevens, 25 fours. It's a value of 7 by 12. Now they clearly mention that total number of people in this city of XYZ is same. My suggestion, guys, consider all these denominator value, then identify the common multiple of all these numbers. So what is the LCM of all these numbers? 8, 12, 5 LCM is 120. Now you understand the total number of people is 120. Now identify the number of females and males. Male, female, male, female, male, female. Now identify the values. See, you already know that 3 by 8th of 120. So 3 by 8th of 120 is 45 females, guys. See, if 45 is female, definitely males is exactly equal to 75. Now again 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 48 people here, 72 people here. Next one, 7 by 12. So 70 female and 50 male. So in this way, try to split how many member of male persons and female persons. Then every man and every woman, all the cities, see the ratio of earphones owned by every man and every woman is 3 is to 2. So here man is 3x, woman is 2x. 3x, 2x, 3x, 2x. Now here the question, see, the number of earphones owned by all women in all the cities approximately what percentage more or less the number of earphones sold owns by men together. So identify the men and women values. See, check the men data here. 75 is multiplied by 3. Total value is exactly equal to 225x. 72 is multiplied by 3x. Overall value become 216x. 50 is multiplied by 3x. Total value is equal to 300x. Now what I get the value from men? 200, 400, 700. 25 plus 53 is 150. Sorry. It's 150, right? Now see 200, 400, 500. Now here 25 plus 75 plus 16 is exactly equal to 91. So total value become 591x. It's a 591x. The same way, identify the woman data here. 45 twos are 90x. 48 twos are 96x. 70 twos are 140x. What about women here? If you add all the numbers, 90 plus 90 is 186. 186, 286. 90, 96, and 286. See 286 plus 40. So total number of women here 326. Now the question here, the number of earphones owned by women in all the cities approximately less or more. So just find the difference here. The difference of value is 265 divided by 591 into 100. So here you can cancel x and x. So just find the difference here, guys. 591 and 265. So if you take a 50% value, what of 50% is, let us assume approximately, right? 590. Take 590. What is off of 590? It's 4. It's a 2 here. 295. Guys, here we want 265, right? Again, if you subtracted 29.5, approximately this is the value of 265.5. So approximately it's 45%, right? So approximate value. Now guys, just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. If you want this PDF, just go through this question. Just comment. Guys, if you want this PDF, just download from my Telegram channel. Simply search V2VVK. You can get my channel and follow us for more videos, guys. So That's it from today video. Until the next session. Have a nice day. Good night, guys.